Today I'm going to show you how to make the chain loop foundation chain that is made of 5 chains. So make a slip knot, so to begin with, just make chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 6 chains is only done at the beginning. The rest would be chain 5. So yarn over 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then insert hook on the 6th chain from hook or the first stitch you made at the beginning. So that's the yarn over, and you see 6 loops on hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then from this point on you yarn over once and then draw this yarn over loop through 2 loops on hook, and then yarn over once, draw loop through 2 loops on hook. That's 2. Yarn over once, draw yarn over loop through 2 loops on hook. So that's 3. Yarn over once, draw through 2 loops on hook. That's 4. Yarn over once, draw through 2 loops on hook. That's 5. And that's why I call this the 5 chain foundation chain loop. So you just made the first chain 5 foundation chain loop. So then repeat, but this time make a chain 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yarn over hook 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, and insert hook onto 2 strands of yarn at the tip of the chain loop that just made. There's 1 and 2, and yarn over and draw through these 2 strands of yarn, and you see 6 yarn over loops on hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then repeat what you did here. So yarn over, draw through 2 loops on hook. That's 1. Yarn over, draw through 2 loops on hook. That's 2. Yarn over, draw through 2 loops on hook. That's 3. Yarn over, draw through 2 loops on hook. That's 4. Yarn over, draw through 2 loops on hook. That's 5. So you made the second one, and then repeat exactly the same thing you did here. So I'm gonna do it fast without without commentary. So And so repeat the same process until there are enough number of loops